Good morning to all. Welcome in your English online class. We are together to do the worksheets related to future continuous tense. We know that this tense relates to रहा होगा, रहे होंगे and रही होगी. And the formation of the tense deals with subject plus shall will plus be plus first form of the verb plus ing plus object if required. So let us go through the worksheets. Here we are with the worksheet number 1 of future continuous tense. At the very first place we are having fill in the blanks by making correct use of future continuous tense. In the first sentence we are having she dash in the afternoon. In the bracket we are having verb sleep. So we know that we will go with she will be because the tense deals with will shall be first form plus ing. She will be sleeping. She will be sleeping in the afternoon. Next is dash it not dash today. In bracket we are having rain. So will we see that we will go with will it not be raining? Will it not be raining today? Will it not be raining today? We are putting a question here. Next is they dash for the exam. Prepare. They shall be preparing. They shall be preparing for the exam. At number 4 we are having I will try my best to spot you. Okay, it means कि मैं अपनी पूरी कोशिश करूँगा तुम्हें देखने की. What dash you dash. We are having the option where. What will you be wearing? What will you be wearing is the correct option. Answer. Next is 5th. She dash definitely dash food. Eat. She will definitely be eating food. So this was our worksheet number 1. I hope the sentences are clear to you. Now it's turn of worksheet number 2. At the very first place we are having he dash not dash the bus today. The verb is take. So he will not be taking, because students look that we are making negative sentence here, so be will come after not. He will not be taking the bus today. Next is what dash you dash at this time tomorrow. Do. कल आप इस समय क्या कर रहे होंगे? What will you be doing at this time tomorrow? What will you be doing at this time tomorrow? At number 3 we see that we dash our exam tomorrow morning. Now the correct answer, we shall be writing. We shall be writing, indicating our future. We shall be writing our exam tomorrow morning. Somu will dash in the bus at this time tomorrow. Sit. The verb is sit. Somu will be sitting in the bus at this time tomorrow. कल सोमू इस टाइम बस में बैठ रहा होगा. She dash pizza tomorrow evening. Cook. She will be cooking. She will be cooking. We are assuming the time that will come in future. My friend dash with us next week. Stay. My friend will be staying. My friend will be staying. हो रहा होगा. Staying. Is it okay? Will be staying. Next week. We are assuming our coming future. Next is dash a fresh stock of fruits be arriving in the market will. Be plus first form are already applied here, so we will go with will. Next is Sia dash for me in the park. Sia will be waiting. Will be waiting. इंतज़ार कर रही होगी. Sia will be waiting for me in the park. Next is I dash my lunch at 2:30 p.m. Do. I shall be doing my lunch. I shall be doing my lunch at 2:30 p.m. Dash she dash guitar in the concert play. Will she be playing guitar in the concert? क्या वो कॉन्सर्ट में गिटार बजा रहा होगा? So I hope students that this interesting worksheets related to future continuous tense are clear to you. Just go through them once again. Keep on seeing, keep on learning and watching as well. Thank you class. Good.